Good evening everyone, here's Cheryl from Jar's Car Reviews. If this is your first time here, like my videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button with the post notification icon turned on. So today, we're going to be taking an in-depth look at the all-new 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe XL. This is going to be a full tour of the Santa Fe. I'm going to start up, show the engine, show you the features on the inside, so it's the outside of the SUV. So, here's the key. Got your lock, unlock, your trunk release, and your panic. It also has Hyundai Smart Key Access System. All I gotta do is keep the key fob in your pocket. The doors are currently unlocked. Tap this button to lock it. That locks the SUV for you to unlock. You push the button again. You push it again to lock all the doors. Color exterior is silver. You also have chrome door handles with gray leather interior. Power driver seat. The power climb, power lumbar. Also has push button ignition. Just put your foot on the brake, hit the button to start the engine. Very nice. It's got a 3-spoke leather wrapped steering wheel. Very smooth power steering. It's got an 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shiftability. We also have a backup camera as well with guidance lines. The parking brake is located down there. Alright, let's go call on the lights, fog lights, and the hazards. Automatic driver's side window. Let's check out the exterior. That's because the key fob is left the presence of the vehicle. Got your blind spot detection on the mirrors. You also have LED turn signal mirrors. Got halogen projector beam headlights with your LED daytime running lights. Your backup camera, dual exhaust, your third brake light up top, Just gonna pop the hood. Coming up to the hood, you have Hyundai's 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. There's your battery. There's your washer fluid. Got your power windows, your power door locks, your power mirrors, storage down there, your fill cap. Look at that. Just gonna give it a couple of revs. Very nice. Got your climate control, your fan speed, temperature, on each side. Got your automatic. There's your off button. Down here, you have a USB outlet, auxiliary input. You got your 2 12 power outlets. You got some storage in there. You also have 3 stage heated seats for the driver passenger. Cup holders. We also have some storage in there. Here's the radio.
Yeah, and he shook. Please don't let them fool you, I don't care how they look. Heard all of the talking, now it's quiet, now it's shush. 29 is coming, they on edge when I cook. Lead the league in scoring, man, but look at my assist. Yes, I be with Future, but I like to reminisce. I do not forget.
Very nice. Got your phone, your apps, your Blue Link, your setup to sync the stations, your track, radio, media, your climate, you know, all that. Your front defrost, rear defrost, air conditioning, recycling, and your rear climate control. Here's the screen. I got your radio, your all menus. So you have phone, Blue Link, driving info, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Sirius XM, quick guide, voice commands, radio, music. I got all there. You got your CD player. Got some storage in there. Got your cruise control, volume controls. And you got your mute button and your driver info system. That's the change station. Right here. You got your Bluetooth telephone voice command.
Say a command.
Help. Help.
Here are some available commands. Please say or select one.
Radio.
Here are some radio commands. Please say or select one.
Tune to 97.9.
Now listening to FM 97.9.
Very nice. Got your turn signals. Wipers. Right there, you got your tachometer, your temperature, your speedometer, and your fuel gauge. And right there is your gear selector. And you got your lane departure warning, your hill descent button, your traction control, different drive modes. That's your interior lights. Sunglass storage. Automatic dimming rearview mirror. Alright, so I guess that's pretty much it for the inside. So put the window down. Check out the back seat. The total vehicle price is $36,125. And the EP estimates are 18 city, 25 highway. Feel free to pause the video if you want to see all the options. Got your power window, storage. Got your map pocket, Tovo palette. Got your interior light. Cup holders. You got your center armrest. Just going to check out the hatch. And we got an air vent right here. Oh, you have to open it here. You got a very nice amount of cargo space. You also have your privacy shade right here. You got your rear climate control, the temperature, fan speeds, different modes, 12-volt power or a USB outlet. You got cup holders. Power window, power door locks, storage, full power passenger seat. Glove box. Let's get the seat back. Ocean handle. Very nice. All right. So let's get started with the door closed. Very nice. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the tour on the all-new 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe SC. If you're interested in buying this car at Highly Hyundai of Fort Worth, please give them a call. I'll leave the link and a telephone number down in the description down below. Also ask for Robert if you're interested in buying this vehicle. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching and goodbye. Stay tuned for the next video.